In this video, I will show you how to make $70,000 in profit if you're willing to spend $108,000. This deal will not last long. Right now, I'm on Adoroma's website and I have this product added to my cart, a Yamaha Channel Network AV receiver. And if we go to proceed to checkout, you can see that 99 units will cost us a grand total of $108,000 because of a big promo savings they're doing on their website, and we'll earn 30,000 in rewards points, which you can see here is $300. So you'll end up paying about $108,000 to make $70,000. Now, to prove to you that they sell for a lot more on Amazon, we'll come over here and look at the sales rank. The sales rank, 24,000 in electronics. That's really good. The item weight is 40 pounds. Now we'll check how much the lowest price is for prime, shipping, and new condition. So if we click prime and new condition, the lowest price is $1,999.95. Now, if we go to the FBA revenue calculator, lowest offer, $2,000. All the fees, shipped to Amazon, 50 cents a pound, $20. Cost of product, $1,085. After all the fees, Amazon pays us $708.19 per unit. We will profit $708 per unit. So if we head on over to their calculator and multiply $708 profit per unit multiplied by the 99 units you bought, you'll make $70,000 with a $108,000 investment. Now, I know not everyone has $108,000 laying around, so the best part of this is that you can buy just one unit, sell it, make $700, and move on to the next product to resell. So instead of only having $1,000 for the next product, you'll have $1,700 to spend on it. Thank you for watching the video where I just taught you how to make $70,000 if you have $100,000 to invest. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.